So this is first in the morning. You can tell it's not warmed up yet. And then if I just barely touch the accelerator, right? Let back off the accelerator. Barely touch it. Just 1 second. If I put it in drive, sometimes it'll let off. So that's just in drive. But then once it warms up, it will get to the point where even in drive, we're sitting here like, like, sorry for my sound effects, but let's see if I can get it to do it real quick. Being real good this morning since I'm recording this video, but I was in bumper to bumper traffic yesterday on 95 and it was shaking all over the road and getting real bad. Like I said in the post, it gets a lot worse when it gets warm. That's even when it starts the random acceleration and like lurching and stuff.